The most important feature for our app is displaying different lessons from our course. So in this video, we're going to figure out exactly how we want to do that. We want the route in our address bar here to be synced to our chapters and our lesson. By doing it this way, we can link straight into a specific lesson, which lets us bookmark the URLs and share it with others more easily. And in general, it's better when the route for our app is as descriptive as possible of the state of the app. Twitter is a great example of this. If I click in on a tweet, we can see that the URL shows exactly what that tweet is. It contains all of the information that we need to render this page. It tells us the user, and it tells us that we're looking at a status, and then it has the ID of that status, or in this case is actually a tweet. And if we click on a different tweet, we see that the status changes. And if I go back to my home page here, the route shows /home, because that's all that we need to know in order to render out this page. So in our app, what we want is something like this. Course/chapter/ the name of the chapter /lesson/ the name of the lesson. Now, this isn't the only way that we could do it. This is just the way that I've chosen. It's very descriptive. Just by looking at it, you can see what chapter we're on and what lesson we're on. Now that we've figured out what we want our route to look like, now we need to figure out how to build that into our app. So what we want to happen is that our course page should display whichever lesson is indicated by the route. This means that this lesson here is actually nested within this larger page. Why don't I show you what I mean by that? If I change the background of this section here, the section with the lesson, when we switch between different lessons, all that we need to change is this red part here. Everything else in the app can stay the same. The header can stay the same. The list of chapters will stay the same. All that we need to change in between the different lessons is this red part here, the part that actually shows the lesson. We're going to accomplish this in 2 steps over the next couple lessons. First, we'll separate out this lesson into its own page so that it will match the new route /course/lesson. Then we'll add in dynamic parts into our route so that we can access different chapters and different lessons and not just the same static route. So let's get started on that.